Hi kids, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. Yay! Okay, so what are we going to learn today? Let me think. Yes, so today we are going to learn some grammar points. Okay, so let's begin. Yay! Very good. Okay, so I want you to open your books to page number 26. Okay, please open them to page number 26. Okay, very good. So let's start. Very good. So today we will talk about past tense, present tense, past tense. Okay, we will learn how we talk about ourselves and others in the past tense. Okay, yay, very good. So let's see. I, I, I. He or she, he or she. I, he or she in the past tense. For them, we will use was. So we will say, I was, he or she was. Okay, very good. One more time. I was, he or she was. I was, he or she was. This is the past tense. Present tense, past tense. Past tense, I was, he or she was. Present tense, I am, he or she is. Okay, very good. Now we will learn the second sentence. Yay, very good. Okay, now I will show you this one. Oops. Okay, this one. This is sick. Okay, so last night, past tense. How can we say this? Try to read from your book. Yes, very good. We will say he was sick last night. He was sick last night. One more time. Can you say one more time? Yes, very good. So we will say he was sick last night. We can say she was sick last night, or if I want to say for myself, I can say I was sick last night. Very good. Okay, now same, let's try another example. Okay, with mad, past tense, and with yesterday. Can we try? Okay. Who wants to try? Okay, maybe you. Very good. Yes, try to say. Yes, very good. So we can say he was mad yesterday. We can say what we can say. Yes, he was mad yesterday. Or yes, very good. The other sentence can be she was mad yesterday. I was mad yesterday. Very good. Yes. Now we will see some examples. Okay, so I want you to try to read the first sentence from your book. Can you try? Yes, very good. The first sentence is he is. Okay, let's see. What is this? He is lucky. Yes, very good. So we can add one more word and say, which word is this one? Yesterday. Yes, very good. Yesterday. So we can say, yesterday he was lucky. Yes, yesterday he was lucky. Yesterday she was lucky. Yesterday I was lucky. Can you try to say one more time? Yesterday, I was lucky. Yesterday, he was lucky. Yesterday, she was lucky. I was, he or she was. Very good. Okay, so now we are going to learn another new concept. Okay? Yay! Yes, very good. So, last time we learned, what did we learn? We learned that in the past with I or he or she, we are using was, right? Yes, I was, he or she was. Very good. Now we will see this. So, more than one person, 2 or 3 people together becomes they. T-H-E-Y. They. T-H-E-Y. They. I was, he or she was, and with they, what we will use? Can you try? Okay, so I will say, with they we are going to use were. Were. W-E-R-E. Were. Okay, were. So we will say, I was, he or she was, they were. Okay? Very good. So I can say, let's take an example. This one. This is, yes, careless. So a sentence with I can say in the past tense with this, we can say, I was careless, he was careless, and they, yes, they were careless. Very good. Now we will learn how to add no. No in a past tense sentence. Okay? Yes, very good. Okay, so we just learned that we will say I was, he or she was, they were, right? Very good. Now, when we want to say no after the was or were, we have to say no as not. N-O-T. Not. Okay? So, I will show you. With I, it will become was not, and with they, it will become were not, was not, were not. Can you try to say? Yes, was, W-A-S, was, N-O-T, not, was not, were, W-E-R-E, were, N-O-T, not, was not, were not, was not, were not. Very good. Okay, now we have to remember one more thing. What is it? It is that was not, okay? We can say in more short way, short form. And what is it? It is wasn't, wasn't, wasn't. Can you try to say? Yes, wasn't, W-A-S-N-T, wasn't, wasn't, was not, wasn't, was not, wasn't. So I can say I was not sick, or I can say I wasn't sick. Okay, and with they it will become were not becomes weren't, weren't, wasn't, weren't, weren't. So I can say they weren't careless. So one sentence will be she wasn't mad, they weren't mad. Okay, they were not mad, she was not mad. Okay, so one last time, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. Can you try to repeat? Yes, one more time, another time. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, so now we will try to understand the sentence from the book. Can somebody try to read the sentence, the second last sentence? Yes, very good. So this this is? Okay, can you try to guess this one? Sorry, can you try to guess? Yes, so it is careless, and I want to say it in the past tense with not. So then what will I say? Was not or yes, wasn't. So I can say she was not careless last night. Yes, very good. Can you try to say another time? Yes, very good. So we can say she was not careless last night or she wasn't careless last night. Very good. And now the next one. This one is yes, worried. And I want to say this with they. Yes, okay, so with they and not. So then what we will say? Yes, we are going to say were. So we will say they were not worried last afternoon. Right? One more time. Can you try to say? Another time. And one last time. Yes, very good. So we will say they were not worried last afternoon. Or we will say they weren't worried last afternoon. So the first sentence we will say is she was not careless last night. Can you try to say? Yes? Yay, very good. And the second sentence, or we can say she wasn't careless last night. So one more time I will say she was not careless last night. She wasn't careless last night. Very good. And the next one is they were not worried in the afternoon. Can you repeat? Yes, very good. And we can also say they weren't worried last afternoon. Yay! We learned the concept. Very good. We will now learn the last grammar point. Okay? Yay! Okay, so we need to understand one thing. And what is it? Okay, so let's say that you want to call your friend. Okay, so how will you call your friend? You will say you, right? Yes, so to call a friend you will say you. And now if you want to call or ask your friend in the past tense, then like a question, then we will use the word were as we use after they. They were, you were. Okay? Yes. So now we have to remember three things. I was, he or she was, they were, you were. Okay? One more time. Can you try to say? Another time. And one final time. Yes. Very good. Okay. So, according to the book, the sentence is, were you upset yesterday? Yes. Can you try to read the sentence? Were you upset yesterday? One more time. And one last time. Okay, so who will answer this? Okay, maybe you? Yes, very good. Okay, so I want you to answer with no. Then how we will answer? Yes, very good. We can say I was not upset yesterday. Or what can we say? Yes, very good. I can say wasn't. So I will say I wasn't upset yesterday. So one last time. Were you upset yesterday? No, I wasn't upset yesterday. Very good. And now let's look at the final sentence. Okay. So now we will do the last sentence. Yay! So in the last sentence, the word they are using is they. So if it is they, then we have to use Yes, where? Very good. So the sentence is, were they busy last afternoon? Can you try to say? One time, another time, and one final time. Yes. So, were they busy last afternoon? And to answer this, how we will answer? We will again use were, right? Were not, or weren't. So we can say, no, they were not busy last afternoon. Yes. Or we can say, no, they weren't busy last afternoon. One final time. Were they busy last afternoon? No, they were not busy last afternoon. Or no, they weren't busy last afternoon. So this is the end of our grammar session also. I hope that this demo, it satisfies and it matches with what you are looking for, and I really look forward to joining your institution in Tainan and work as an English teacher at your institution. Thank you very much, and that's all from my side.